Hello and welcome to Travels with Sheila. I'm Sheila and you are enjoying the views from Locarno Beach and Jericho Beach right here in Vancouver, midwinter in January. This was Sunday, January 25th, also known as Robbie Burns Day. We had beautiful weather. If you're someone from Eastern Canada who's not fond of Vancouver, because we have it pretty good here in terms of nature and so on. Not to worry, we have gray skies all of this week before returning to blue skies for the first week of February. However, another eagle sighting. I saw one, or it may have been two different eagles here today. And unlike the last short I posted, this is no eagle sex education class. In that one, I inadvertently zoomed in on what turned out to be eagles mating. But here we have the Jericho Pier, which was rebuilt, completed in 2025. Not quite the same as it was before, unfortunately. Rebuilt because in January 2022, we had a significant storm in Vancouver that demolished it. And actually, what I will do, after we look at this eagle, let's enjoy the eagle in flight. It's so graceful. And in for a landing. What I will do is create another short. It will be dominantly or completely out of still photos I have of what this pier used to look like before that storm, because there was a wheelhouse where kids and adults alike could pretend to be steering their ship or their vessel westward, looking out over the Pacific. But for now, here's a look at the waters, the mountains, and our city. Enjoy.